Hello friends, welcome back to my channel 5 Minute Solution. Hopes you are good. Friends, today I'll show you that how to see deleted text, photos, videos on WhatsApp. Friends, sometimes we got some messages on WhatsApp and the sender delete that messages instant. That's why we can't see that messages. Because of this, we have more curiosity to know about that messages, right? And we start to think what was that on messages. Friends, if you want to see a deleted text, photos, videos, please watch the whole video. And if you didn't subscribe my YouTube channel 5 Minute Solution yet, please subscribe now and press the bell icon to get notification of next video. Friends, to see deleted text, photos and videos, you have to download the apps. For this, you have to go on Play Store. Then you have to write here WAMR. The first one, my friend, you have to click on here. And you have to install this software. You have to click on install. I have to wait few seconds, my friend, here. And it is downloading, right? I have to wait here until download, my friend. And see, my friends, download has been completed, right? Now it is installing, my friend. Then I have to click on open, my friend. After that, I have to click on accept. Then I have to click on forward. Then I have to give the check mark on WhatsApp, my friend. Then again you have to click on forward. Again forward, my friend. Again also. Again. Then I have to enable this option, my friend. Here is 3 options, right? So I have to enable all, my friends. So click on enable. I have to find WAMR. Upside one down. This one, my friend, I have to enable this one. So click on here. Then go back. And I have to click on multimedia files. I have to click on here. Click on allow, my friend. And number 3, I have to click on enable. Here, my friend, I have to click on here. And click on allow. Then go back. I have to click again on first one, auto start. And I have to find the apps WAMR. It is enabled, right? So I have to go back. So I have to click on forward, my friend. Now I have to click on check mark, my friend, here. Now, my friends, if someone sent the messages on WhatsApp and he or she if delete the messages, you can see here, my friend. So I'll send some messages on WhatsApp and instant I'll delete that one, my friend. After that, I'll check here. So go back, my friends. Friends, I'll open WhatsApp now and I'll check the message. And I'll click the first one and see, my friends, here is 3 messages, right? On right side. I'll try to open that message now, my friend. And see, my friends, the 3 messages has been deleted, right? So if I want, I can't see this one, right? But if I want to see in another way, I can see, my friend. For this, you have to close this one. Then I have to go on that software, WAMR. I have to open this one, my friend. So open it. Now I'll click the first one, right? This one. And see, my friend, the 3 messages was, where are you? What are you doing? Will you play badminton today? So that was the message, right? So friends, like this, you can see the deleted text, photos and videos also. Friends, still if you have any confusion, feel free to ask me in comment box. I'll try to give answer as soon as possible, my friends. Friends, if this video helpful to you, please like, share, comment and especially subscribe my YouTube channel 5 Minute Solution. Thank you for watching this video, my friend. Take care.